guarantee you that. But if we do everything correctly, like the wiring diagram says, then it should work. If I can get this out. Okay, there we go. Battery fully charged. Come on. So now we're just going to take like a little sheet metal screw like this. I don't know if you can see that or not, but a little one like that. You know what? Wait, hold on. I got a flashlight on this thing. I love this toolkit. I love Milwaukee tools in general, actually. Hold on, let me see if this looks kind of dark on the camera. It probably is dark. It's getting dark. It's like, that's about 5 o'clock. Right now, that's 5 o'clock right now, so it's just turned 5. 5:01, I don't know. No, you see, you just need a little screw. Like this. This is just a little hex head combo sheet metal screw. They call them saber screws or something like that, you know. But they work pretty well. And I have this along here with me. This will drive it right in. Pretty sure this is brushless. I'm not sure, but what that'll do is this will just drive it in there. So it'll secure this, and it'll secure the ballast in place, and it'll hold it up there. There we go. Real quick. There we go. Nice and easy. Wasn't too hard. Fits nice. Looks nice. I like it. Now, operating nicely, now that we don't know. But that's what we're about to find out after we're done installing this. So, what I'm going to do right now is we're going to strip these 6 wires. Get them ready for use. Ooh, what the? Come on. There we go. One stripped. Oh, it's solid wire. Okay. This is why I want to use my newer strippers from Harbor Freight. That's alright though, I couldn't find them. So, yeah, look, see, there we go. It's not too bad. It's doing pretty good. Seems to be stripping them. put these ones on the ballast. I wonder if I should just come back to this. Okay, well, no, actually, I probably better not because I need to show the whole process. So. These are kind of bitched. These ones. Oh, got those ones. I'm probably. This is probably going to be the part where I'm going to need a yellow wire knot. Yeah, I'm definitely going to need a yellow wire knot. These aluminum wires? What the hell? I thought these would have been copper wires, not aluminum wires or something like that. Or ones that are fully tinned. There we go. First, what I'm going to do is we're going to do the black to black and white to white, like we should. Alright? Now, I'm thinking I'm going to cut the black wires, black and white wires, because it's a little bit longer than what I expected, and I don't think we really need them that long. So, oh, whoops, sorry. I'm sorry. You guys might have been able to see it a little bit, but now I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Okay, now, so, see, these are the black and white wires right here. I don't know if you can see them, but I'm going to cut those down a little bit because they're a little bit long. I'm right about there. Strip them. No big deal. And then we're going to put, tap the white to the white and the black to the black. Which is what you're supposed to do. Oh, I'm sorry, excuse me. Well, that's what, yeah, which is what you're supposed to do. that little hole. Come on, get in your damn hole. Or you belong, you fucking wire. No, I'm just joking. But seriously, come on. Well, maybe I'm not joking. Okay, seriously, come on. Stupid wire. It says ground, make sure it's grounded properly, which it is. That the ground wire that's over here, right here. I don't know if you see it, but yeah, that little line right there, I'm seeing in the camera, which is this copper wire right here, bare copper wire. That's how you ground it. So that's grounded properly. I know that for a fact. Not very hard to ground something like that. That's alright, it's sticking out just a little bit, but I don't think it's going to matter. I can't get it in there all the way like it was, but that's okay. Now, what we need to do is we need to take these 3 wires, put those ones together. Other 3 wires here, 3 wires to there, put those ones together, and then put the other ones together, you know. So that's basically what we need to do. Now I'm gonna go get some yellow wire nuts. I'm sorry if this video is taking a long time and I'm kind of going kind of slow. The reason why it's taking was going slow is because I wasn't completely prepared, but I was prepared enough. But I wasn't completely prepared, and also it was also because what was I gonna say? It was also because well, I'm trying to think at the same time while I'm talking, and it was also because